class. I hope this finds you well. We are at the end of the semester. Shocking. It went by fast. Well, I mean, maybe it dragged on for you. I don't really know. It felt pretty good to me in terms of like length and appropriateness of work. I guess I should say that because I'm the teacher, right? But honestly, we're done. This is it. And so I just wanted to obviously thank you for all your hard work. Kind of strange that we don't really ever get to face-to-face interact, but I got a lot of, insight into who you are based on the work that you did, and I really thank you for the work that you did. And now the only thing you have left to do that's required is the final exam. And so that's what's on your list. And basically, let's go look at it real quick. So basically, you have 3 little questions that tie into the readings that you've done in this last segment. So, happy writing. I know you guys are capable of doing this work. These are kind of, pulled from the discussion posts. So, of course, I'm asking you to, dig a little deeper, but I'm not asking you to kind of reinvent the wheel. So, work smart and get it done so that you can enjoy being done and congratulate yourselves for the work that you've done. So that's what I'm asking for. And then the last little bit of optional extra credit is the breaking of a social norm. And so that's going to close on the 6th if you'd like to do it. And if you'd like to do it and it's something that you feel like you want to share with people, let me know and I'll make sure to make that possible as well. I know not everybody is super jazzed about the idea of breaking social norm, but some of you might actually like it. Yeah, you should do it. You should do it. My daughter just walked by and said you should do it because, she's my daughter and like really I've made her do it a couple times for different projects, and so she's kind of used to it. It's kind of weird having a sociologist as a mom. I feel bad, but whatever. She's all right. So anyways, thank you again for everything. This is likely that I won't see you again because you're in a program that doesn't have lots of sociology requirements. So I'm pretty sure I won't be your teacher again. So it was nice working with you, and I wish you really, really, really good luck in everything you do. Always happy to be a resource of support, or if you have questions or anything, just hang on to my email, raman@sonoma.edu, and feel free to reach out to me at any point in the future. But yeah, thank you. And I wish you a happy holiday season, and I wish you a happy new year, and I wish all of us a happy new year in hopes that we'll have some good things to look forward to in 2021. I just remember when it was going to be 2020 and I was like, oh, it's going to be such a good year. And then, well, it wasn't. And so we can just hope that next year is going to be really good. So be well, be safe, and thank you for your hard work. Bye.